Didn't know what the fuck is that. Took a shot at Annie out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag.
Hey you guys, I came to you guys to no. But hey Jacob think I'm ready. Anyway, hey JM Squad, I am back with another video, and this video is gonna be a hair video. Now I've been rocking this hair for 3 days, I believe. Yeah, 3 days. What I'm about to tell y'all about this hair is the utmost honest truth. You feel me? Just because I didn't experience the hair a little bit, I didn't straighten it, I didn't wash it, I didn't curl it, I didn't do everything. And I will be talking about the hair. I will be showing y'all the construction of the wig. I will be showing y'all all of that. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch me, I didn't necessarily show y'all how I did this hairstyle because I just, you know, took some hair and just put it up in a little ponytail. But if y'all want to know the deets about this hair, or want to know about this hair period, or where you can find it, where you can get it, or y'all can see where you can get it, because it's right there in the title, Youth Beauty, and I'm gonna put it right here, you know. So yeah, if y'all want to know any of that, just keep watching. so I'm back. I didn't style my hair and everything. Let me turn this light up a little. But I didn't style my hair and everything, and I didn't straighten it. Yeah, this hair is so pretty. Oh my god. I hope the back is all the way straight, because the last time I did this, it wasn't always straight. But yeah, this is some really pretty hair. This hair came in such cute packaging. It was so cute, and it came in this bag as well, and it also came with a weaving cap, and then it came with extra comb, 2 extra combs, and an elastic band. Back to this hair, y'all. This hair is so freaking pretty. Like, oh my god, it is so pretty. And like what I showed y'all before was the hair's natural state. Well, it's kind of the natural state of the hair, but at the same time I had combed some curls out that I had before. But at the same time, the curls that I had is kind of how the hair combs when you brush it out and stuff. This wig right here is ombre, as y'all can tell. It gets really light at the end, and it's the free part 3x4 average size lace front wig, and it's 20 inches, and the hair texture is body wave, so that's why it's so wavy before, like, when you take it out. I curled the hair. I'll show y'all some pictures, some videos of the hair when it's curled. And what else I want to tell y'all? It's nothing bad I can say about this hair. I completely love this hair. This is probably my first successful lace front unit. It's 4 combs in this wig. Is 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the back. There's 1, 2, okay, 2. Yeah, there's 4. I just have to make sure. But yeah, it's 2 combs on the side, and then 1 right here and 1 at the back. And then it also has an adjustable strap. I showed y'all guys that already, or I will be showing you it during this video. The knots, when I got the wig, the hair wasn't, it was like a transparent color. The lace was a transparent color, so I did have to bleach my knots. I bleached my knots, I left it in for 25 minutes, and bam, it was good. I kind of, some parts of it kind of got a little blind, but it wasn't bad like it normally be. I used some neutralizing shampoo after that, just to knock out the brassiness, so it don't look orange. Y'all see it don't look orange? Y'all see it? It don't look orange. I cannot stress this enough. This hair is beautiful. I don't have nothing bad to say about this hair, but the only thing I have to say about this hair is that it does shed. When I first got it and was running my fingers through it, it wasn't shedding. When I washed it after I bleached it and everything, it wasn't shedding. I wore it after a day. That's when it started shedding, and that's when it started to tangle. At first, it really wasn't. It wasn't shedding or tangling. It doesn't shed a lot, but it sheds a good bit. Put it like that. As far as the tangling only come in when it's been a few hours and you haven't like brushed it or anything. Dang, this hair is soft. But it got a nice luster to it as well. I did not add any products to this hair at all. Yes, y'all, like, this hair is bomb. If y'all want to get this hair, I'll leave everything in the description box below, and y'all can go copy some of these hair, or you can go get, they got plenty of other wigs on their site. And if this wig bomb, I know the other wigs bomb too. Here, visit that description box below and go get you some of your beauty hair. Oh, I want to tell y'all one more thing. This wig has, like, let me see if I can pull some out. It has baby hairs. I don't want to get too close because it might show my hair, my kitchen. You know, I don't want y'all to see my kitchen. This wig has baby hair at the back, so you can actually wear this hair up into a ponytail. But yeah, that was my video. If y'all like my video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. My thumb. Give me a thumbs up. comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you know when I post my next video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, Gem Squad.